Want to add unique, consistent characters to your designs effortlessly? Let me introduce you to FreePick AI, a groundbreaking tool perfect for creating high-quality characters that stay consistent across various projects. Whether you're designing for social media, branding, or animations, FreePick AI simplifies the process. Here's a step-by-step guide to using it. Step 1: visit FreePick AI. Start by navigating to the FreePick AI platform and signing up for an account. FreePick AI offers a free tier with plenty of features, making it accessible for everyone. Step 2: define your character's identity. Think about your character's purpose and design concept. Are you aiming for a cheerful mascot, a sleek business avatar, or a fun cartoon character? FreePick AI lets you specify details like age, gender, style, and accessories. Step 3: select a style template. Browse through FreePick AI's library of style templates. Choose one that aligns with your project, be it minimalistic, vibrant, or futuristic. These templates form the foundation of your character's design. Step 4: customize the character. Dive into FreePick AI's customization panel to tweak every detail. Adjust facial features, clothing, poses, and even color schemes to ensure the character fits seamlessly into your design. Step 5: export your character. Once satisfied, export the design in your desired format: vector, PNG, or layered PSD, making it easy to integrate into your projects. With FreePick AI, crafting consistent and eye-catching characters has never been simpler. Try it today to bring your creative visions to life. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching.